Today I have the Scotch-Brite Power Scour toilet cleaning system, which I'm going to be using to clean my toilet right here. And I'm going to be comparing it to the normal scrubber that you scrub the toilet with some clinging bleach gel made by Clorox to see which one is better. So I have this right here. Now the benefit of this, supposedly, let me put away the scrubber, is that it is disposable. It has one wand and stand, and it has 5 scrubbing pads. And it says that the unparalleled clean, effortless shine of the Power Scour toilet cleaning system. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to clean the toilet and I'm going to compare it to the normal brush used for cleaning the toilet. To give this video context, I'm going to be trying to make it as real as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and take this Twix and I'm going to kind of stain the toilet with it. Just to give it context. Okay? So I have that. I'm going to flush big chunks out of it. And then we're going to open this up. Power Scour toilet cleaning system. So here are what the pads look like. Let me go ahead and open this up so you can see it. And take this. So here's what the Power Scour looks like. It smells fresh. I probably should be wearing some gloves on this. Smell the detergent, smells really good. I'm going to put that right there. And it comes with 5 of those, or 5 total, 4 left in there. I'm going to go ahead and pull out my wand. I guess the stand was in there. So let me read the instructions completely. So, clean confidently, bust through rust, hard water, and more. Size to fit underneath the rim. For thorough clean, clean confidently, curved. For ergonomic, clean, under rim reach. Okay, smarter, simpler, stronger. Now the instructions say, push the scrubbing pad onto the end of the handle. Swirl the scrubber end in the toilet. Start under the water and work your way up. And then toss and eject the scrubber into the trash. Do not flush the scrubbing pad. Okay, so the stand was in there, so I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the box I'm going to do. All right, so here's the stand that goes on it right here. Place that right there for the side. And then there's 5 of these pads, 4 left, other than the one that is sitting right here. So here are the pads. Put that to the side. And so here's the stand that it sits in once I'm done. Go ahead and place it down like that. Put my wand on the stand right there. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to go ahead and attach this. I guess I can just press it down here like that. Just snaps into place. So it's in that. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to put this to the side so you can see that later. So here is the scrub brush, getting closer so we can see this process. And you can see that there's crud over there that needs to come off. So let's get started with this part right here. Going to take the brush and I'm just dip it into the water a little bit. And that gets the solution going. And it says work the way up. See, I'm scrubbing on the inside right here. It's an inside job. I'm going to get down in the tiller here, but not to lose all the solution or the mix that's embedded inside of the brush. And then I'm going to come over here, in this area right here, and see it comes up quite nicely with this. A little bit of chunks on the side. And it's pretty much going around in this, going around the full circle. Like that. It smells really good. Just get the sides. And then get underneath the bowl like this. Make sure you scrub under there so it doesn't smell curved. So once you do that, scrubbed, got a chunker right in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and flush this. And it looks like it did a good job, per se. And then to detach this, throw it away in the trash and not the... So again, I'm going to take a piece of cloth right here, or toilet tissue, and just simply shoot. That wasn't supposed to happen. I'll fish this out. All right. I'm just going to toss this away. All right, so when it's done, you can just put it back into that. And it looks like it did a good job. There's a little bit of streaks left from the solution coming down there. Some of the things that I had trouble with was getting underneath the rim of the toilet. So I'm going to show you how the method works using a regular brush, of course. I'm going to go ahead and take Twix just to give it context. I'm going to do the same thing. All right, and flush it so I don't have any big chunks. So I have that. So now I'm going to use the traditional way of cleaning. All right, so I have Clorox Cleaning Gel, Bleach Cleaning Gel. Toilet bowl cleaner kills 99% of the germs. So what I'm going to do is, I have stains in there. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to apply this and take this, go around like that, and it coats the toilet. Okay, now you have a coated toilet. It's not winter, but that toilet right there is coated. Get a little closer so you can see the chunks. And I'm going to go ahead and take a brush. I'm going to dip it inside of the water just to get it wet. And then you see where the chunks, the brown stuff at. I'm going to really work that area in order to get it up. And see, it really comes up easily. The head of the brush, it's a larger area than the Scotch-Brite, which allows me to get in here. And then when I get in here, just do spin it, cleans the bottom of that. And then when it comes to getting under the lip, it's a lot less effort to get underneath the rim of the toilet using the traditional. I'm going to scrub the sides. See how that worked. And flush this. Now, comparing the two, it's nice to throw it away and you don't have to keep all the nastiness that goes inside of the bucket that the brush goes into. You don't have to have a separate cleaning action because with the Scotch-Brite, it's built into the pad. However, I think there's a chunk down in there. You see that? Wonder what the person ate. Stronger flush. It's gone. The traditional way actually cleans, I think, a little bit better, more thorough job. I can say that this is probably easier to use, and I think I did not detach it properly because you detach the pad by pressing that. Let's see if I can get this up again. Let me get the pad so I can show you. All right. All right, so you have this. And so you detach the pad by pressing this button right here. So watch this. And I missed the shot. But you detach it by pressing the button like that. So this is kind of an easy use, I guess, once you get used to it. Very quick. Get it done, out of place. You don't have to deal with having this, carry this around wherever you go. But then again, why would you be carrying toilet bowl cleaner everywhere you go? You wouldn't have to have this per se next to your toilet, but why couldn't you put it somewhere else? I don't know. But overall, it's a nice product to try, but I think I may stick with the traditional way of cleaning the toilet. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.